Question number 10. Find the equation of bisector of angle A of the triangle whose vertices are A 4,3, B 0,0, C 2,3. Firstly, we plot these points on Cartesian plane. B is 0,0. Point A is 4,3, B is 2,3. 2,3 means distance on x-axis is 2 and y-axis is 3. It is 2,3. And 4,3 means distance on x-axis is 4, y-axis is 3. Means 2,3, 4,3 lie in same line. It is 2,3 and it is 4,3. And since ordinates are equal, the distance between these points is 4 minus 2 means 2. It is point A and point C. Now join AB, CB, and we have to find the equation of the bisector of angle A. Means we have to find the equation of bisector of angle A. Let AD is the bisector of angle A. These two angles are equal. Now the distance between AB, distance between 2 points 4,3 and 0,0 is 5. Now in figure, distance between A and C, points E and C is 2, and distance between A and B A and B is 5. Distance between 2 points. Now since AD is angle bisector of triangle ABC, since AD is the bisector of angle A, then it divides the opposite sides in the ratio of other two sides. Since AD is angle bisector of since AD is the bisector of angle A, then it divides the opposite side BC in the ratio of other two sides, means AC by AB. CD by DB इक्वल AC by AB. ये आप क्लास 10th में पढ़ चुके हैं. CD by DB is equal, AC is 2 and AB is 5. Then we have the ratio of CD and DB is 2:5, and let it is M1 and it is M2. Now point D divides the line CB in 2:5. Since point D, let x comma y divides the line CB in 2:5 internally. Then coordinate of point D of point D is x equal m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. We have m1 means 2, x2 means 0 plus m2 5, x1 is 2 by m1 plus m2. Then it is 10 by 7 m1 x2 m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. Now y equal m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. m1 is 2, y2 is 0, m2 5, y1 is 3 by m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 5, and it is 15 by 7. Now point D, coordinate of point D is 10 by 7 comma 15 by 7, and we have to find the equation of AD. Equation of the line joining A and D is y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 x minus x1. Then it is y minus 3 equal 7 3 is 21, 15 minus 21 means minus 6 by 7, 28, 10 minus 20 minus 18 by 7, x minus 4, 7 cancel out, minus cancel out, and 6 3 is 18. Then it is y minus 3 is equal 1 by 3 x minus 4. Now 3 by minus 9 equal x minus 4, and we have x minus 3y plus 5, which is equation of AD.